Japanese sake. Can you drink an alcohol?
Thank you.
A little bit. And so tortas is so in Japan trademark of so long life.
Long life.
Oh, okay.
And
Thank
so
you.
we use the, so this cup is
Thank you.
only so New Year's Day. So in the plain Japanese black beans, and so a kind of root vegetable, so chorogi, and so in tortas, this one is mackerel and so apple,
Oh,
and
this is
making from the so cuttlefish,
Oh, okay.
Cuttlefish.
and so this one is a kind of a river fish, and a kind of fish cake flavor of honey.
Oh, okay.
And let's try.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think that's all.
That's all?
You can see the inside.
Okay. This is so cute.
And sauce for sashimi.
Ah,
And your left side is seaweed sauce.
oh, seaweed.
Seaweed. So I'm using a nori, you know, black sheet in the sushi restaurant.
Okay.
And so cooked with the soy sauce and sesame oil.
Okay.
And so another one is the Japanese sour sauce, ponzu.
Oh, ponzu.
Yes, that's a grated radish and
Yeah.
so green onion, marinated 3 weeks over.
Yeah.
Mm.
And so in my restaurant, I can't prepare the so soy sauce. And let's try seaweed sauce instead of a soybean sauce. And so today's fish is a kind of mackerel. We call it shimaji.
Shimaji.
Yes. And so at first, take half of wasabi into the seaweed sauce
Okay.
and mix.
Okay.
Put on each piece of sashimi and eat very delicious.
Okay.
If you like a so sour flavor, let's try using a so ponzu sauce.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So first thing is to put some wasabi into
Yes, and mix.
mix. Okay.
I think the more.
More?
Yes.
Okay.
3 bite.
Alright.
Yes. Good.
Okay.
Let's try.
The first time.
So this is our ozoni, Japanese traditional style soup, Japanese taro, mountain potato, and so rice cake, and carrot, green vegetable with hot mustard, and so goat. And so soup is making from Japanese white miso.
White miso.
And in Japan,
Yeah.
there is so many kind of so ozoni, this style soup. But so in Kyoto, only Kyoto using the so white miso.
White miso.
Yes, let's try.
Okay. Thank you.
So grilled fish. So today I using kind of barracuda, Japanese barracuda. So marinated miso, and also cooked by the charcoal,
Ah. Okay.
and with vegetable chips,
Okay.
and also turnip, cutting similar to the so daisy flower. See, ear, unagi,
Yeah.
and also
unagi.
Yeah.
a kind of a root vegetable, urine, and natural mushroom, kikurage. So covered with grated lotus root and chia.
Okay.
And so sauce is Japanese dashi soup, making from carrot and flake by dry bonito, and so with wasabi.
Oof.
Let's try wasabi mixed dashi soup and eat it.
Okay.
But this is too hot. Take care.
Okay.
So the chef recommended try this rice thoroughly. Just try this rice. Okay. Smells so good. Thank you.
I prepared two small dish and so 1 cup. And so Japanese pickles, and so another one is a kind of mountain vegetable we call it zenmai. So cooked with deep fried tofu, so orage. And so soup is a miso soup. Cooked with natural mushroom, nameko. This mushroom is a very sticky mushroom, and so soup is a bit sticky and hot. Take care.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this restaurant is a 3rd generation.
3rd generation.
Yeah,
So from your
opened
grandpa.
90 years ago.
90 years ago.
My grandfather opened another place. I moved here 13 years ago.
Wow.
This counter table used in 75 years. So my grandfather bought for my father.
It looks so new. But how do you maintain it? Like.
So every day the cleaning. That's up for you.
Thank you.
Today's content is this one is a chestnut.
Chestnut.
So
Okay.
cooked with the sweetie, and so making the paste, and so mixed by the so karagino, and so strawberry, and so raspberry, and so blueberry, with Japanese red beans azuki, anko, you know.
Which one? This one?
Brown,
This?
brown.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Let's try chestnut with azuki.
Azuki.
And this
Okay.
one is a chestnut too.
Chestnut.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I went to the many times in the Paris, so also many restaurants, very good. But so my cuisine, my style, is, I don't use any oil. And you want just oil?
No.
Yes.
Very healthy.
Yes,
Yeah.
no oil. So today's cuisine is about 900 calories less,
Oh, that's so cool.
and so 5 grams less the salt. Very healthy.
Yeah.
Very
But
healthy.
you feel that so enough.
Enough.
Yeah, very full as well, and very tasty
Yes,
actually.
very
Yeah.
so healthy. So I think I like the French, but so I don't know so healthy or not. I don't know.